Judaism. So here's our chart of our timeline before Islam, and it was in Judaism, first of all, that it was revealed, the 10 commandments were revealed, and one of the commandments was, honor thy father and thy mother. Okay? Now that was the first time that Allah had revealed to honor your parents. And then after that came Christianity. And in Christianity, a special status, especially to mothers, was given. And that was by showing Mary, the mother of Jesus, to be extra special. She was the best mother in Christianity. She was, a virgin. She wasn't married, and she had a child. So she was given extra reinforcement as a mother. And then if we look at Islam, Islam was where mothers were really put even higher. And Islam raised women so high, mothers, right from below the earth to so high that paradise lies at their feet. So the highest status of mothers was actually given in Islam. And what do we mean by paradise is beneath your mother's feet? What do we mean by that in Islam? Any ideas? Children, what do we mean by paradise is beneath your mother's feet in Islam? What do we mean by that? Nobody. I cannot believe that. Come on, have a guess. Hands up. Mrs. What do you want to tell us?
Was that why? What does it mean by paradise?
What do we mean by that?
You will enter paradise if you're good to your mother.
Yes, so you will go to paradise by serving your mother. That's what it means. Okay? So you need to serve your mother. If you serve your mother, you will go to paradise, like in that picture. Okay? That's what that means. And it means if your parents are alive, be grateful at the opportunity to earn Jannah by serving them. Jannah is paradise, isn't it? Heaven? Okay? Except if they tell you something against Islam. Okay? But even then, you still have to treat them kindly, so you're not allowed to be rude to them. Okay, so what else do we do apart from feeding them? What happens in early years? Yes, so you're up all night when they're not well, for example. Okay, it's always the mother that will stay up. I remember my husband when my children were young and ill. Oh, you look after them, I'm going to...
Oh Allah the Almighty, Allahu Allah, protect me and guide me, Allahu Allah, oh, to your love and mercy, Allahu Allah, Ya Allah, don't deprive me, Allahu Allah, from beholding your beauty, Allahu Allah. Oh my Lord, accept this plea. Allahu Allah, Hasbi Rabbi Jallallah. Allahu Allah, ma fi qalbi ghayrullah. Allahu Allah.
Jesus has forgiven me, so I'll still go to heaven. To me, that doesn't make sense. You have to be liable for your own deeds, good and bad. Otherwise, tell me why then Allah has got angels on our shoulders writing down our good and bad deeds. Why is it then that they're even there? Why do they need to be there if Jesus is going to forgive our sins for us anyway? So that to me doesn't make sense. We know, we believe very strongly in the two angels who Allah has, alhamdulillah, put us on the right path to make us understand. But like you said in the Quran, some people are deaf, dumb, and blind, and Allah has closed their hearts. They won't understand. You can say what you like to them. But they will find out, and they'll tell you, won't they? Questions? Yes?
Sorry, I was going to ask, it's more for the kids as well, but you know, how can you avoid all these things without alienating yourself? Because in the current, where we are in the times where we are,
Yes.
you cannot completely alienate yourself.
We can't completely alienate.
So if my neighbour yesterday,
Yes, that's
feel
fine.
that how I don't.
No, that's fine. I'm going to come to that actually.
So
I was born and brought up in this country. I know fully where you're coming from, and it's not good in the current climate as Muslims to completely alienate ourselves. That's wrong as well. There has to be a middle way. So the first thing is, it's up to us to guide our children the right way. This PowerPoint is excellent for children to understand where I'm coming from. Okay? It's like Christmas. If someone then gives us a present, we shouldn't say no. We also know that Prophet Muhammad said, don't return a gift. Okay? We can say thank you. It doesn't mean we should give an Easter egg back. You can then give on Eid. Give them a box of chocolates on Eid. If in your school, especially if it's a Church of England school that asks you to do a hat parade, you can't come out of that because then you will be under prevent. There's new prevent training out there in schools. Believe me, I'm aware of it more than anyone else. There's training, it's happening in all the jobs. Then you're going to be classed as really strict. And, so the best thing is if you educate your children and they know that it's wrong, then it's fine. As long as they know that it's wrong. I wouldn't take your children out of assemblies. I wouldn't take them out of any things that the whole school is engaging in. Because what it is you are then segregating your children as Muslims from everyone else. But at least tell your children what the right way is. And believe me, I do so many talks. I gave a talk in a mosque last year, and I'm about to go there again. I could not believe how many children did not know that Jesus didn't die on the cross according to some. They all believed Jesus died on the cross. The parents hadn't bothered telling them anything, and they believed everything they heard in the schools. And it's big time out there. The Christianity curriculum is very, very strong out there, and it's even more in the current climate. All this stuff about increasing British values, for example, is really out there. So they're going to do all of this even more because it's to do with the history of their country. So it's up to us to educate our children. But I wouldn't segregate children out of what the whole school is doing, definitely not. Just tell them what's wrong and right. Easter eggs, let them want to give it to them, but they don't need to give them back. You give on Eid. Tell them about Eid. Give your teachers presents then, chocolates then. End of the year, you can, as your intention is to say thank you to them. Okay?
sorry, I've got another question.
Yes, that's
Again,
fine.
on the concept of
Absolutely
hijab.
fine.
I mean, I don't know whether it's to muddle kids' views on this, but the question I have is it possible, I mean, is it possible that when the Prophet was actually explaining all the hadiths which are around the job,
Yes.
is it possible that he was using allegory and symbolism, at the time? Because there's no way he could make the people of that time understand how these times would be. He could not make them understand the media. He could not make them understand the internet. He could not make them understand what, how things are currently. How an airplane works.
Yes.
Okay, from one to the other.
Mm.
How genetically modified food works.
Yes.
Food can
Yes.
grow like that.
I think at that time, while a prophet is right in front of you, you're very, very strong in your faith, and people just believe whatever he says.
Exactly, but he has to make them understand. Well, he could not tell them that these things would be.
Yes.
And for me, I think we're living in the time.
Yes.
But it may not be a person. Okay, it may be a person who's running the system, but still, for me, it is you are living in a system which
Yes.
is that which
I
is
mean,
properly said.
That's very interesting. The television, iPhones, if they're used Dajjal, I did cover this earlier, didn't I, when I was talking about all the things. He was mentioned that he is a person, a man, and we've got hadiths to explain that he had black curly hair, he was short, he's got crooked legs, and that then shows it's not an iPhone or an iPad or whatever. But I do understand what you're saying. The iPhones and the iPads, the television, they are one-eyed. And if they're used in the wrong way, then yes, they are forms of shaitan in an indirect way.
Affeder günahı Allahu Allah, alemin padişahı Allahu Allah, yüreklerin penahı Allahu Allah. İşit Allah derdimi, bu ahlarımı, rahmeyle bağışla günahlarımı. Hayır eyle hem akşam hem sabahlarımı. Hasbi Rabbi Cenlallah, Allahu Allah, ma fi kalbi gayrullah, Allahu Allah. वो तन्हा कौन है अल्लाहु अल्लाह, बादशाह वो कौन है अल्लाहु अल्लाह, मेहरबा वो कौन है अल्लाहु अल्लाह, क्या ऊंची शान है अल्लाहु अल्लाह, उसकी सब निशान है अल्लाहु अल्लाह, सब दिलों की जान है अल्लाहु अल्लाह।
This award is for Sidra for all the hard work that he's been doing, not just for Iqra, and giving us such passionate speeches. Thank you very much for that, and reminding us all what charity is all about, but also for the education and training you provide to university and schools as well. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. I'm really shocked actually. I wasn't expecting this, so thank you so much. That's very kind of you.
Could we have Mrs. Shanaz Javed, please?
يا رب العالمين الله الله، صل على طه الأمين الله الله، في كل وقت وحين الله الله، املأ قلبي باليقين الله الله، ثبتني على هذا الدين الله الله، واغفر لي والمسلمين الله الله. Allah the Almighty, Allahu Allah, protect me and guide me, Allahu Allah, oh, to your love and mercy, Allahu Allah. İşit Allah derdimi, bu ahlarımı, rahmeyle bağışla günahlarımı. Hayır eyle hem akşam hem sabahlarımı.